morning video.
Today is the day that we've all been waiting for.
Yes.
Big performance mod in the works. But before we can get there, I mean, you already seen it by the title. You know, we got to clean up the car. It's a little dirty right there. Been doing some pretty nice pulls in it recently. You can see a little bit of rubber on there, but nothing crazy. Let's get it nice and ready for this appointment.
Loading them up, and we're about to be on our way.
Ready to go.
See you soon.
So we're here, we made it. We're at Starwood Motors. About to drop the Challenger off and let them get to work on the long tube headers.
Uh-oh.
Today's the day. Yes. We've made it.
The Challenger's ready, so we're back at Starwood Motors.
Yes.
And we're going to go pick it up right now and show you all the results.
There's a Hellcat over there too.
There's a Hellcat, a lifted truck.
For real. They went crazy.
They got a bunch of cool stuff here. But yeah, we'll see you in a little bit. Got it back. Oh, you see that? Ooh, sheesh. They're popping out.
Come on, here we go. Let's start it up. You got the key, right?
Yep, right here.
Oh, I'm excited. Down the street because we have to set up the GoPros for the ride home, but man, this thing sounds like a big boy Challenger. All right, you ready? You ready? That thing's screaming. I'm loving it.
Yes, no, yes. It was such...
Instantly, you could tell a difference in sound, and it felt a lot, I don't want to say it was like a big horsepower boost. It was a lot smoother on the torque curve, though, I feel like, and the horsepower curve. It's just a lot more consistent. I like it, honestly. Well worth it.
Yeah, such a good cop.
Hell yeah. So we got the original 6.4 headers, catless mid pipes. And the reason that we kept these is because they're going to be going on the Charger very soon.
Yes, another video. Stay tuned. It's already loud, so I wonder
Right, but
what...
this thing is stock, like bone stock. It has just vibrant mufflers on it. That's it. Nothing else. We had a K&N air filter on it, but we just ended up putting the stock box right back on it.
It burned or something, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. Some crazy stuff happened. Anyways, we would love to start upgrading this, get it tuned. And actually, we forgot to mention that the Challenger is tuned by HP tuners now.
Yes,
not Diablo no more.
Yeah.
Because the place that we went, they only do HP tunes. So, it's okay. We'll switch it up, and they cleared it, so we can take that credit from there, put it on the Charger, and it's pretty much the same thing. All we need to do is get it unlocked. So stay tuned, because that's coming soon.
Yeah, so we're gonna make this a beast, even more of a beast.
Hell yeah, because like the 5.7 comes with ones that maybe like go up to like right here, and then that's it. It's like that. This is like a lot more beefier, obviously.
Video coming soon on how this rubber got back there.
Facts. Look, there's even some rubber that's not even supposed to be on a tire.
Yeah, so if you think you know what happened, leave a comment.
Yeah, because it was a fire. We got a fire video coming soon.
Yes.
And if you want to see more of these builds, don't forget to subscribe.
Yes.
And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button for us.
Thank you so much.